Today we will discuss about pronoun. Pronoun is our sarvanam. Pronoun is the word which is used in the place of noun. As in our last video we have discussed about noun. Noun are our naming words. So on the place of those noun, which words we will use, those will called our pronoun. Kinds of pronoun. First is our personal pronoun, Purushvachak Sarvanam. It is used in the place of name of a person or a thing. For example, he, she, it and I. I is also a pronoun because it stands for a person. Person means who is a speaker. That also consists of name. Personal pronoun classification. These all are examples of personal pronouns. First is our first person pronouns. First person pronouns stand for the person who is speaking. Means our speaker is always our first person. For example, I and we. These two words, these two pronouns are always first person. Next is our second person pronoun. Second person pronoun stand for the person who is listening. Means our listener is always second person. You, thou. The word is also used in our poetry section. The means also you. Third person pronouns stand for the person or thing whom or which about first and second person are talking. He, she, it, they. These are our third person pronoun examples. One example I am giving you here. I told you that my friend will come today. Here first person is I. Second person is you. And third person is my friend. This is our third person. So who is speaker here? I. Who is listener here? You. And about whom we are talking? About my friend. So in this way, these three persons work under personal pronoun. Second is our reflexive pronoun. It is called Nijvachak Sarvanam in Hindi. In this pronoun, subject and object is referred to the same person. I am repeating again. In this pronoun, subject and object is referred to the same person. For example, you must do your work yourself. You must do your work yourself. Whose work is this? Your. And who subject here? You. So these all things referred with this subject. You hurt yourself means no object is here, only this verb is also helping to emphasize its activity, use activity. He spoiled himself. Ria should do her work herself. These example of reflexive pronoun. Next is our interrogative pronoun, Prashnavachak Sarvanam. These pronouns are used for asking the questions. As word interrogative already gives us hint that it can be with interrogation here. For example, what is your mother? Means here mark of interrogation is for a profession. Who is your father? Means here person wants to know about the name of father. Which is your favorite book? Wants to know about favorite book. Whose pen is this? This interrogation is asking about owner of this pen. Next is our relative pronoun, Sambandhvachak Sarvanam. It stands instead of a noun. These pronouns join two sentences with each other. For example, the boy who stole my car has been arrested. Who? The boy who stole my car. I don't know whose pen is this. Again, asking about the owner of a pen. This is the dress which I like the most. As it is mentioned in the definition that it stands for the noun, means which word is here used for a dress. Who word is here used for this person, this boy. Whose word again used for the person who's owner of this pen. These are not mentioned that this is not mentioned that these are interrogative words. These are but connection between these two sentences is also here with this word, because our interrogative words are also what, where, but here only those pronouns are used which can take the place of a noun. Next is our demonstrative pronoun. As word demonstrate already shows, संकेत वाचक सर्वनाम जो किसी की तरफ संकेत करे, इशारा करे. These pronouns demonstrate the things to us and show our right. Demonstrate the things to us and show our right upon them. For example, here, there. These are our demonstrative words. This, those, this, that. This is a pen. It will be also a demonstrative pronoun example. That is a chair. It is again also example of a demonstrative pronoun. But some examples which I have written here. This is my car. It shows also ownership. That is your pen. These are my pencils. Those are her books. Next is our distributive pronoun. विभाजक सर्वनाम जो किसी चीज का विभाजन करे. This pronoun considers number of a group separately rather than collectively. Separately rather than collectively. For example, each of the students was given prize. As word separately means each, everyone, rather than collectively, and collection is students. All students means class is here, or we can say the students of school is here, but each one got the prize. Each of the student was given prize. Neither of the boys is attended the class. Every one of you can do it. Each one, everyone, neither, nor, all, these are our distributive pronouns. Next is our indefinite pronoun. अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम. This pronoun tells us about uncertain things. About uncertain things where certainty is not given. All sang the national anthem, but how many are these all? It is not mentioned. Some of the students were shouting in the class. Not all, but some of them are shouting in the class. Few, many, somebody, etc. These are examples of indefinite pronoun. अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम जहां पर किसी भी चीज की निश्चितता संभव नहीं है. Our next example is emphatic pronoun. दृढ़तावाचक सर्वनाम. This pronoun is used for the sake of emphasis on noun or pronoun. Means here can be either a noun or pronoun, but emphasis is also shown by this pronoun. He himself did this. Himself did this means nobody else is here, only he is here who is doing the work. You can yourself solve this sum means you don't need anyone. You can yourself solve it. Next example is our possessive pronoun, अधिकारवाचक सर्वनाम. These pronouns are used to show ownership. It shows that something belongs to someone. These words are also examples of possessive pronoun. My, our. My pen is very good. Our home is very beautiful. Your book is very good. His bicycle is very beautiful. Her. These are examples of possessive pronoun. Examples are this pen is mine. These are demonstrative words. We have already used them in demonstrative pronoun. But here, ownership. This is important. That pen is hers. Next is our reciprocal pronoun, पारस्परिकतावाचक सर्वनाम. This pronoun indicates that an action is being performed by two or more subjects. An action is being performed by two or more subjects and this action is same. Each other, one another. These are examples of reciprocal pronoun. For example, Radha and Krishna love each other. Only two members are mentioned here. Radha and Krishna. Students are helping each one another. Ratio or number of students is not given here. One another means so many are there. Four brothers are quarreling with one another. Four, more than two. So, one another word is used for more than two and each other will be used for two persons only.